glue gels. I'm gonna do these two first, and we're gonna do that one later because I have some really cool things I'm gonna share with. You can do this with this transparent designer foil. You can do with any background you prefer. It doesn't have to be pink. And make sure you apply the no white top coat on, because this will hold down your crystals, your charms. And can you get this one? Right here. The designer.
Yeah.
I need that one and the designer.
What's the designer?
Oh, I really like it itself. Thank you.
You want Ruby?
I really want a bear on it too. But let it keep it really nice, simple, and then we're gonna do bear on our next nails maybe. This is really cute and simple. Maybe a gold beads.
Gold, silver, let's put on check.
There's so many cute new foil and new designs coming in. Great, so now we're gonna clear. I just want a bottle of perfume to stay nice like that. And clear for 60 seconds. With this super cute Gucci, we're gonna apply the condensed glue gels in. It's right on the nails. Either you're just gonna put the beads on this one, or you can do the logo. It's up to you, however you want. You can do the bigger one, you can do a smaller one. There are several kinds, and we're using the no white top coat on the top. I'm gonna put the big G's on it. Applies enough. You don't want to be too thick, you don't want to be too thin. Great. Maybe I'm gonna using that one. Super cute. I have a little one here too. It's really up to you if you want to connecting them. If you do not want, absolutely fine. I think it looks super cute. But you can connecting them if you want to, as you wish. But with our precision glue, you do not have to. I really want to show you how really cool, simple this freaking cute transfer foil is. Just want that one right there. So adorable. I get a little bit space between them. Have everyone's working on the contest yet? It's gonna be so much fun. If you are first, for those who just tuning in, we are having a really cool, fun contest for our brand ambassador and influencer. We are looking for 5. Total is 3 ambassador, brand ambassador, and 2 influencer. So please check out on our original post. If you are first time tuning in Glitz Accessory and such, welcome. And if all of you are been with us for a long time, thank you so much. Make sure you check it out, all the information and rules and requirements for that. It's gonna be so much fun. And if you are really like to challenge your limits, join our team. Okay, so now I'm gonna keep this one under the LED light for 60 seconds. It's different. Hello Lynn, did you how did you apply that? Did you using, we just finished that with transfer foil here, and did you make sure you check with your LED lamp? And I am using, we have 2 different kind of transfer foil gel, but I'm using this. Is really quick, which is 30 seconds, and it keeps pretty much really good under a lot of LED lamp, unless your lamps both doesn't work. Like your lamp, it was like reach to 3,000 hours or 5,000 hours, then it doesn't work. But if you use your lamp, a proper lamp, it keep under LED lamp for 30 seconds, and it transfer pretty much everything. I just did just now, it transferred this, and it's completely transferred to the nails. Oh, bending. Okay, gotcha. You're gonna do it on the top first, and then you press it, and like you're gonna lay it straight in the middle first. Go into the middle first, and then you lay it first, and then you're gonna using and then you're gonna spread it on the sides to make sure they blend without making a crease on the foil design. So this one is really cute now. I have super cute I am going to use one of our weaver gels. Which one should I use? They're super cute. You can use any colors. There are 12 colors of weaver gels. And maybe, doesn't matter. I have this one on it. So we can do anything. We can do teal, or we can do